Okay, in today's video we're having a look at the newly finished EV-700R rotator and controller. I just thought I'd take a bit of a quick run through with this. This is the controller, which in other videos you would have seen the work I did with it and the new PCB. I've actually just recently shortened the needle down and I painted it black. Because when I put the new illuminated LEDs in here, it was pretty bright in a sense, and very hard to see the actual needle. So basically we're going to take this for a quick run today. This is a new back with a new label on it. So there we go, it's all there. So, and as you saw in the previous videos, you would have seen that the assembly of the rotator itself, the EV-700 rotator. So we're just going to take it for a quick drive today. So we'll plug him in. If I get the light in the right direction, plug him in. And then we'll go for a bit of a quick drive, show it working, which is what all these videos are about mainly. So, I'd like to just show you the little backing I made on this that only illuminates the elevation part, but there's just too much light in here, and if I turn the lights off, it won't adjust very well. But not a problem. Okay, we'll turn him on. You may just see it. Oh, you might. Yeah, I can probably just see it illuminated. Wow, amazing! Just see it. Not much that much light here, is it? Okay, right now. Well, let's go for a bit of a quick drive. As usual with the Emotator controllers, you have a momentary action, like stop and start, left and right, or you can lift it up to lock it into place. And the actual rotator is these elevation rotators are very quiet. I'm going to move that across a bit, the bolt might hit that. So I've just finished aligning everything and getting it all working, everything. So yeah, I just thought I'd take a quick run. We might just stop here at 30 degrees, do a couple of momentaries. So the alignment process in these was a little bit of a pain. Using a full potentiometer movement in the rotator, or was it the other way around? Full potentiometer movement in full potentiometer movement in the rotator. I'll get it right in a minute. Whereas in the controller they're only using half the rotation, so there's resistors in line and a whole lot of stuff happening. So yeah, that's how it is. And interesting that this, I never actually timed this, but it is probably about 85 seconds for the complete rotation, which we'll probably see now. But the other version I've got has one extra gear in the drivetrain, so that would have even been slower. So, well, that one's going to be a DC one, so yeah. So there we go, we just took them out of there, and we'll go again manually. We'll stop and start. We'll lift him up and let it fly through, or rotate through. Maybe I should say rotate through. So there we are, back up to 90. Mostly that will be the aerials facing straight up, and now they'll be going down the other side. Technically upside down, or depending on which way you assemble them. There we go. We might just stop him again, start him again. There we go, so about 150 degrees. And we can only just hear it, and you can hardly hear the rotator at all. It's very quiet. And there we are at 180 degrees, smack bang on. Right, we'll move it back up to vertical. Oh, actually 90 degrees. I like to leave it sitting. We shall leave this video here. I may attach this short little video. I'm only just learning how to do editing these days, so I might just tag it in and edit with the other videos, the finished ones. Maybe I'll see how I go. It's only quite a short video, this one, but not a problem. We shall carry on and carry forth up to 120 degrees, and we'll stop in smack bang at 90. And there we have it. I was going to say 360 degrees. Okay, we've done 1.5 rotations of the elevation rotator, if that makes sense. Okay, this was the Emotator EV-700R, R because this version has remote now, so that's why I put the R in there instead of the X or just on its own. Okay, have a good one. I shall catch you next video. Bye.